Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fortnite on your Nintendo Switch. First, download the game for free from the Nintendo eShop. Once installed, you will need to create or link an Epic Games account to save all your progress and unlocks. Take a moment to adjust your control settings to find what feels most comfortable for you. Finally, complete the in-game tutorial to learn the fundamental movements and combat mechanics before jumping into your first match. It's a great way to get started. Mastering the controls is key to success on the Switch. Use the left joystick to move your character around the map, while the right joystick lets you control your camera view and look around. Press the button to jump over obstacles or reach higher ground, and the B button to crouch, which can help you stay hidden. When it comes to combat, hold down the ZL button to aim your weapon precisely, and then press the ZR button to fire. Practice these basic movements to become more agile. Building is a core mechanic in Fortnite, offering a unique strategic advantage. Press the Y button to quickly switch into building mode. From there, you can select various structures like walls, ramps, and floors to construct. Use building to create instant cover during firefights or to gain a height advantage over your opponents. When engaging in combat, always aim for headshots. They deal significantly more damage and can help you eliminate enemies much faster. Practice building quickly to improve your defensive and offensive capabilities. Fortnite offers several exciting game modes to enjoy. The classic Battle Royale mode challenges you to be the last player or team standing among 100 competitors. If you prefer pure gunplay without the building aspect, try the Zero Build mode. To progress and unlock new items, complete daily and weekly quests, which reward you with experience points. You can also purchase a battle pass to unlock even more exclusive outfits, emotes, and other cosmetic items as you play through the seasons. There's always something new to achieve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.